Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the metric system. One of the most popular systems of measurement around the world is called the metric system. It is a system based on multiples of 10 with respect to measuring distance, mass, capacity and area. Some of the more common units used and how they are converted into other units are the following. So these are the basic units here regarding distance. So 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, a metre is 100 centimetres, and a centimetre is 10 millimetres. The abbreviations for distance are as follows. They are the abbreviations there. With respect to mass, we have 1 tonne is 1,000 kilograms, a kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. The abbreviations for mass are as follows. That's the tonne, the kilogram, the gram, and the milligram. With respect to a capacity, that's basically how much water or liquid an object will hold. A megalitre is 1,000,000 litres, a kilolitre is 1,000 litres, and a litre is 1,000 millilitres. The abbreviations for capacity are those three there for each of those measurements. And finally we have area. So a hectare is 10,000 square metres, and the abbreviations for area are as follows. The hectare is HA. Sometimes you'll see it written like this, so either one is acceptable. You'll see a capital H. Okay, capital HA. It doesn't matter, either that or that are acceptable. And square metres are the M with a little 2, a power of 2. Some examples of common measurements. So the following examples are approximate, but they give us a good idea of the size of the common measurements in use. So if you have an orange, the mass of an orange is about 200 grams. A man, the mass of a man is about 75. That certainly varies, but that gives you an idea. If you have a reasonable car like a sedan, it's about 1.2 tonnes, so it's quite heavy. The capacity of a cup is about 300 millilitres. You've seen quite often in the shops that a litre of milk looks like that. Okay, so that carton holds about a litre. With respect to area, the normal football field or the sports field that you see, if you have about 2.5 of those, that's about a hectare. So a hectare is quite a large area. And in cooking, you might see that the capacity of a teaspoon is about 5 millilitres. So those measurements just give you a rough idea about the size of some of those measurements in the metric system.